So I'm charging people. As you know, we do cars and stuff, yeah, but this one's just so different. We're out here, we're travelling, we're getting the life charged up, yo. Like, look at these stunning views. Wow. Breathtaking. And if you're feeling a bit sheepish as well, there's plenty of out there for ya. Oh my god, look at that up there as well. The weather's not the best, but who cares? This feels 10-10, yo. This is the motor what we're using. We've got to get a car into the video as well. It's a 1 Series, what, 120D? Blimey. Manual, yeah, wherever. Got the M Sport rims. Bodyworks estate. But yeah, let's get out of here, yo. Let's get out of here. Parked up and we're going to cross the road when it's safe to do so and hopefully show you lots of stunning views. Scooby! Jeez! Jeez! What? What? Yo! Your what? Your pimp soles? Pimp soles, yeah. Oh, there's a boat. Oh, wow. You know what? I bought a rubber dinghy rapid, yeah? It would have been perfect for this. Let's try getting down there and show you this. Woo! Oh my god. Wow. Check this out, yo. There's the older brothers trying to make it down. See, I found a way down, yo. Oi, G. Yo. It's just amazing. Definitely feel charged here. Wow. So, all you car nuts, if you got an epic car, right, I think these driving roads are going to be suited for you. Let's show you.
what, charge people, yo, what a different video, and what a way to get charged up and just fill yourself up and jeez, feels, oh, do you know what, it was absolutely magnificent. All the views, the fresh air, and it's just so peaceful, yo. It would have been better if we had a better car, but it wasn't about the car, it's about, yeah, just recharging your energy and everything. So let me know what you think of this different video. If you want to see more, hit it down in the comments, and then we'll basically do some more traveling and do some more road trips, and yeah, show you all you ladies and gents. And you know what, I appreciate you all tuning in, subscribing, and keeping it positive, yo. So yeah, other than that, like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay charged, yo. Cheers.